Hi, I'm Bertrand the Tech Man. Welcome to my channel. On this channel, we review tech, gadgets, and give tips. So if you love tech and tips or find value in this channel, please hit the like button below and subscribe. Today we're going to review some power. Power is defined as energy that is produced by mechanical, electrical, or other means used to operate a device. We all need a little power sometime. So we're going to look at the Anker PowerCore Essential 20,000 battery. Let's check it out.
Get strong.
What comes in the box? In the box you will find the Anker PowerCore Essential 20,000 battery itself. You will find a micro USB cable and a travel pouch, and also the guide. What's not included? Well, you do not receive a USB-C cable, nor a lightning cable or a wall charger. What are some of the features of this battery? Well, it has an ultra high capacity, massive 20,000 milliamp battery. It provides more than 5 charges for an iPhone X or 5 full charges for a Samsung Galaxy phone and over, and also 2.5 charges for a iPad Mini 5. So what are some of the features? It has two types of charging systems. What they call a voltage boost technology, which optimizes your devices while charging them, and it has what's called a trickle charging mode to charge low power accessories like earbuds or Bluetooth devices. It also has a twin USB-C ports that allow you to charge two different devices at the same time. It's versatile as far as the recharging is concerned. It has the input either for a USB Mini or a USB-C cable, which allow you to recharge it. Now, using a 10-watt charger adapter, it will take approximately 10 hours to charge. Using a 5-watt adapter, it will take about 20 hours to charge. Now, the two input ports may not be used at the same time, and again, this is primarily used to recharge the battery itself. The Power Essential 20,000 does not support laptop charging. To charge a laptop, you usually will need at least 30-watt output, so this will not work. So, what do I like? The pros. It is lightweight, it's portable, it has fast or quick charge capabilities, it has dual charging capabilities, and it also has the switchable inputs for recharging it. Again, you can charge up to 5 charges for a iPhone or a Samsung Galaxy phone, or you can use it 2.5 time charges for an iPad Mini. What I don't like? Well, it takes a long time to recharge. Again, using a 10-watt charger about 10.5 hours, and using a 5-watt charger about 20 hours. Now, I like to base everything on a flow, no flow principle. That being said, even though it takes a long time to recharge, the ability to get up to 5 charges and to charge 2 devices on my iPad Mini with the quick charge is well worth the wait. So, this power charger is definitely a flow. I got mine on Amazon for about $42. The link is in the description below. Here's a tip. Never operate this battery in temperatures less than 32 or 104 degrees. It may cause harm to your battery and void your warranty. So, Thanks for watching. If you found value in this review, please hit the like button below and subscribe. And please come back and check out our next tech review. I'm Bertrand the Text Man. See you next time. Always remember, before you buy anything, check it out first.
Be strong.